See? We're the same colour. Look, look. Can you reach a bit higher? I can't get this bloody apple. Come on. A bit higher, please. When's that Strictly Come Dancing on? I'm better than they are. This tongue is for my honey, and I love my honey, yes. Are you sure we can jump over the moon this way? I've been trying to jump over the moon. Give me some of that Jack Daniels and make it quick, or else. Chop down one more tree and you're for it. This is animal defence here. I'm your new cat sitter and I sit on 'em. You don't have to worry, just hire your new cat sitter. Anybody want a blind date? Leave me your telephone number after this video, please. Hey, give me my ball back. If you take my ball, I'm going to bite yours. You hear me? Give me my ball. I want my ball.